was searching for a dish from Bali, I came across Ayam Pelalah and I was instantly excited to try it. The colors, the spices, and all those tropical flavors just looked amazing. Hi and salam everyone. حالتون چطوره? That means how are you in Farsi? So today I'm joining to another international food collaboration with a group of my YouTube friends, and this time we travel to Bali. And for my dish, I'm bringing a taste of Bali on the table with Ayam Pelalah. Ayam Pelalah is an Indonesian dish name. Ayam means chicken in Indonesian, and Pelalah is a type of spicy seasoning. So Ayam Pelalah basically means spicy shredded chicken. As I mentioned earlier, this is an international food collaboration and it is my first time making this dish. So I'm so excited to explore its bold Balinese flavor. A perfect balance of chili heat, fresh lemongrass and aromatic lime leaves. And hopefully I can do this beautiful Balinese recipe justice. Oh, by the way, you'll find the link to my YouTube friends' channels in the description box down below. Please don't forget to watch their video as well. Let's make it and see how it turns out. Here are ingredients for making Ayam Pelalah. 2 chicken breasts, about 400 grams. 2 red chilies, adjust to taste. 2 bird's eye chilies, it's just optional. Juice of 1 lime. 2 lime leaves. A 5 centimeter piece of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 6 shallots, 3 Brazilian nuts, 2 tomatoes, 2 stalks lemongrass, 1 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon ground coriander, and salt to taste. Alright, first I'm going to boil 2 chicken breasts with some lemon juice and a little bit of salt, just until they're cooked, about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I take them out and let them cool for a bit. Once they are cool enough to handle, you can go ahead and shred it by hand into small pieces and set it aside. And to be honest, this recipe is really perfect if you have got some leftover chicken lying around. It doesn't matter, it's roasted, steamed, or even fried. It all works perfectly. Okay, after shredded the chicken, it's time to make the Ayam Pelalah sauce. We need to start by chopping up our vegetables. And now I spread the chopped vegetables over the stovetop grill rack to roast them. There are quite a lot, so I roast them in 2 batches. Finally, grate 3 Brazilian nuts and add them to the grilled vegetables. Pour in half a cup of water, then blend until a smooth, creamy paste is formed. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat, add the spice paste and saute for 3-5 minutes or until aromatic. Stir in the lime leaves and cook for another minute. Season with turmeric, salt and coriander seed powder, stirring well to combine. Add the shredded chicken and lime juice to the pan and toss well to coat evenly with spices. Cook for another 2-3 minutes over low heat. My Ayam Pelalah is ready now. Turn off the heat and remove lime leaves. Garnish Ayam Pelalah with fresh herbs, chili and lime for an elegant finishing touch, and serve warm or at room temperature, accompanied by steamed rice or enjoyed on its own. Oh my gosh, I mean, that flavor, the chicken is very tender. You can really taste the lemongrass and lime leaves, and it's really pleasant and so fresh and flavorful. It's got perfect balance of heat, citrus, and that smoky grilled taste, and I just can say it's so good, really good. I really enjoyed making Ayam Pelalah for the first time, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video today, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, God bless, and lots of love. خداحافظ.